start with the first question, which is in. Choose the correct answer. In the 30-60 triangle, the ratio between the length of the median drawn from the vertex of the right angle and the length of the side opposite to the angle of measure 30 degree is what?
1 to 2.
Here he asked in a 30-60 triangle, the ratio between the lengths of the median drawn from the vertex of the right angle. يبقى هنا عايز الريشيو ما بين الميديان which is drawn from the right angle and the side opposite to the angle of measure 30 degree. Here is degree. Is it 1 to 2? 1 to 2 wrong. You said 1 to 2. 1 to 2 wrong. So I must draw. This is a right angled triangle. And this is a median drawn from the vertex. Okay. And this is 30 degree. What is the ratio between this median and this side? This median and this side. 1 to 2?
median side تبقى 1 to 2.
1 to 2 يعني الميديان ده half السايد ده this mean that is this the length of this median half this side.
السايد ده هو equal طيب؟
equals صح لأن ده half الhypotenuse and also this side its length half الhypotenuse يبقى هما equal in length يبقى الريشيو المفروض what is the correct choose 2 to 1 كده يبقوا equal.
لا تبقى 1 to 1.
1 to 1 دي معناها ان هما equal يبقى احنا لازم نرسم must draw وانت كان لازم تقولي لي ان احنا هنعمل draw. انا مش عايزاكي تطلعي لي الاجابه على طول. Number 2 in the triangle ABC the length of AB equals the length of AC. Measure of angle B equals 6x degree and measure of angle A equals 3x degree. Then x equals. Here we have two sides equal in length, so we have an isosceles triangle. Firstly, I must draw the triangle and must draw isosceles triangle. Here I can draw an isosceles triangle, which is A, B, and C. The length of AB equals the length of AC. So I'll deduce that the measure of angle C equals the measure of angle B. He told us that measure of angle B equals 6x and measure of angle A equals 3x. You want to find the measure of angle x. Here is 6x. Okay, and here is also it's going to be 6x because they are equal in measure. And he gave us that is a measure of angle A equals 3x. We know that the sum of measure of the interior angle of any triangle equals 180 degree. So the sum of those three angles equals 180 degree. 6 plus 6 equals 12. 12 plus 3 equals 15. 15 x equals 180 degree. Okay. AB equals AC يبقى measure C equals measure B equals 12 plus 3 15. So x equals what? 180 divided by 15. Okay. 180 divided by 15 equals what?
Equals 12.
12 degree. Okay. Can you solve number 3? If M is a point of intersection, tell me what I'll do or what we must do. Okay. If M is a point of intersection of medians of triangle ABC. and D is a midpoint of BC. Then AD equals
Draw triangle.
drawing a triangle, وهنا الام بتاعت الميديان،
مم.
نعمل هنا ام، و D is a midpoint of BC. يبقى هنا عندي A B and C. D is a midpoint. Okay. Of BC with line segment. Here is a line segment BC. Then the length of AD. يبقى احنا هنعمل كده draw دي median, so it will passing through the point of concurrent. يبقى الميديان ده هيمر بالبوينت بتاعت الكونكورنت. طب ايه دي كلها الريشيو بتاعتها كام؟ انت what is the choose? What is your choices?
3/2.
3/2.
3/2.
Let's see. AD all equals 3. Okay, and AM equals 2. So that's correct. Choose 3/2 AM. Here is 3, here is 2, and here is 1. Okay, good job. Another one. If a triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, measure of angle A equals 60 degrees. Length of AB equals 4 centimeter. Then its perimeter equals what?
Drawing triangle. Isosceles triangle.
Isosceles triangle, not any triangle. An isosceles triangle A, B, C. Any isosceles triangle has an angle equal 60 degree, it will convert into equilateral triangle. لو أنا عندي isosceles triangle وفي أي angle 60، خلينا نشوف كده. هتكون الانجل دي 60. 60 plus 60 equal 120. 180 minus 120 equals 60. So you must know that is if you have an isosceles triangle and one of its angle equals 60 degree, so this triangle it's gonna to be an equilateral triangle. يبقى الترينجل هيتحول لايكوالاترال triangle. يبقى لما نلاقي isosceles triangle وفي angle 60 يبقى هيتحول لايكوالاترال triangle. طيب هو عايز البريمتر. البريمتر بقى هنجيبه ازاي او هيكون ايه؟
هيبقى 4 plus 4 plus 4.
اكسلنت، لان هو بقى equilateral فكل السايدز هتبقى equal in length، فكله هيبقى 4 plus 4 plus 4. البريمتر بتاعي هيكون 12 سنتيمتر. Good job. Let's solve number 4. If M is the point of intersection of medians of a triangle ABC, the length of AD is the sorry، يبقى هنا دي مش، شوفي عشان مش حاطين هنا line segment فقلناها length. هي AD line segment is a median of length 6 centimeter. يبقى ده median اللينكس بتاعه 6 centimeter. Then AM equals how many centimeters?
الأول هنعمل drawing triangle.
We'll draw a triangle ABC. هنعمل M AD median. AD median is a median with length 6 centimeter. وهنا ال M تعمل divide 1 to 2. The length of AM this
هتبقى 4.
4. خلي بالك انت عملتيها في الامتحان خسرتي الدرجات بتاعتك. 4 سنتيمتر. طيب خلينا let's find it. AM that is the length we want to find equals, here we will put a fraction, and what is the length we know? AD. So right here AD. What is the ratio of AM? 2. What is the ratio of AD? All AD is 3. So we will multiply 2 over 3 by the length of AD. which is 6. By simplify, 6 am equals 4 سنتيمتر. اوكي، يبقى انت لو متلخبطه في الامتحان، بس انت لو قلتي الريشيو غلط هتبوظي الدنيا. انت لو عرفتي الريشيو اصلا بتعرفيها. The second picture is complete if the line segment AD is a median in the triangle ABC. M is the point of intersection of medians. Then the length of AD equals blank AM. What we will do?
نعمل drawing the triangle. بعدين نرسم line في النص AB.
Then we will draw a median AD passing through the point of intersection of medians M. Don't draw the 3 medians. ما ترسميش 3 medians بقى زي ما كنتش بترسمي زمان. هو كده خلاص، واحنا عارفين ان الريشيو دي 1 to 2. Okay, ask it AD to AM. But he asked the ratio between AD and AM. That means he needs the ratio between AD and AM. So AD, we will write its ratio in the numerator. AD, where is AD? This is AD, which is 3. And AM, its ratio is 2. The correct answer is 3 over 2. AM.
Okay.
Okay. The point of intersection of medians of the triangle. Divide each of them in the ratio blank to 5 from the vertex.
في الvertex هتبقى 10 to 5.
10 to 5, excellent. From the vertex, it's going to be 10 to 5 because it's from vertex, the ratio is 2 to 1. But here he gave us 5, so it's going to be 10 to 5. Okay? فهنا هو احنا متعودين ان الريشيو من الفيرتكس الميديان البوينت اوف the point of intersections of median divide from vertex in the ratio 2 to 1 from the vertex. He gave here 5. So the correct answer, what is twice 5? Twice 5 is 10. Good. The medians of a triangle intersect at
midpoint.
midpoint بيتقابلوا في الميدبوينت. If we have a triangle, the medians of a triangle intersect at
the point of intersection
اسمها at one point. بيتقابلوا في point واحدة، يبقى at one point. At one point. Okay?
Okay.
The bisector of the vertex angle of an isosceles triangle bisect the base and this is a corollary on the isosceles triangle.
The base of A.
We said before, if we have an isosceles triangle and we draw a median or a bisector from the vertex, then this bisector will be perpendicular on the base. We will deduce this and bisect the opposite side. Okay? لو هو bisect يبقى هو perpendicular و bisect الانجل. لو هو perpendicular يبقى bisect the vertex angle and bisect the base. طيب يبقى هنا هو قال لي هو بيعمل ايه؟ The bisector of the vertex. This is the bisector of the vertex. Bisector يعني هيقسم الvertex ل two angles equal in measure of an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Bisect the base. بيعمل bisect للبيز. And what? Bisect the base. And what?
parallel.
لا مش perpendicular. And perpendicular on it or on the base. Let's see this Say question. Answer the following in the opposite figure. See this measure of angle D equals 40 degree. The length of DC equals the length of DA. So here I have an isosceles triangle. Then the measure of this angle equals the measure of this angle. And ABC is an equilateral triangle. It means this is 60, 60, 60. Find measure of angle DCB. DCB, all these angles. So I must find this one and this one. Okay, let's erase and start again. خلاص كده أنا قريت وحددت الأنجل اللي أنا عايزة أجيبها هي الأنجل دي. محتاجة أجيب الجزء ده والجزء ده. أنت هنا قلتي in the triangle DCA, the length of DC equals the length of GA. We needed to write this one, the sum of the measure of the triangle on its isosceles 180 on its isosceles. لا cancel since أول ما يقول لك إن ده isosceles وفي side equal side اعملي على طول then deduce الانجلز اللي equals بعض. فين هنا two angles then measure of angles what؟ دي سي اي. انت عماله تكتبي سي واي وبس كده وكده غلط. ان هنا في 2 سي فدي سي اي. دي سي اي equals measure of angle what؟ دي اي سي. ما ينفعش اقول ايه بس. دي اي سي. تمام. وانا مبسوطه ان انت حددتي تراينجل. الان الاي بتبقى كابيتال. خلاص. equals what؟ ممكن بقى تكتبي كده 180 minus 40. وما ننساش الديجري وانت مش بتنسيها over 2 equals what؟ 180 minus 40 equals 140. 140 divided by 2 equals 70 degree, not 60. Now we will find, so we found this angle. Okay, we need to find this angle. You must determine the triangle, please. You must determine the triangle. Here you are set 60, measure of angle A. Okay. Since the triangle ABC, okay. Okay, that's right. Then what? Then measure of angle A. This is A? No. It is CAB. Then measure of angle. That's wrong. That's wrong. That's wrong. Then measure of angle. CAB. CAB equals measure of angle.
Even
ABC equals measure of angle what؟
ACB.
نكتبها هنا. measure of angle what؟
ACB.
ACB. ما يبقى ما ننساش بقى، ما نكتبهاش كده A و B و C ما دام في أكتر من واحدة. خلاص؟ يعني equals 60 degree زي ما انت كتبتي برافو. بس انت كده you didn't find the required to find. انت ما جبتيش اللي هو لسه عايزه. احنا هنا عايزين بقى we need to find the measure of angle DCB. DCB. All DCB. We said that this is 70. So you will write then. This is the final step. Measure of angle DCB equals 70 degree plus 60 degree equals 130 degree.
ابعت تحلي.
Accumulative test 4. See, this choose are this question. In the opposite figure, ABC is a triangle in which measure of angle B equals measure of angle C. Then X equals what? When he said measure of angle B equals measure of angle C, what must I deduce؟ أول ما يقول لي إن measure of angle B equal measure of angle C، إيه اللي أنا المفروض أستنتجه على طول؟
إن هو isosceles.
Isosceles. فين هما التو sides اللي equal بقى؟ Can you determine the two sides equal in length? Which are equal in length?
ال AB وال AC.
Excellent. So السايد اللي هو 2x plus 3 equals السايد 3x minus 1. Okay. Now we have an equation. دلوقتي احنا عندنا equation. To find the measure of angle x we must put x alone. عشان نجيب ال value بتاعت x لازم نخلي x لوحدها. طب the first step I move this here. So here we have 3 equals 3x minus, I'll move it with opposite side, 2x minus 1. So 3x minus 2x is x. يبقى 3 equals x minus 1. I'll move this here or add 1 to the both sides. Then we have 3 plus 1 equals x. Then x equals what? X equals what?
x equals 4.
4. يبقى x 4. احنا مهما جات لنا مسألة تخض شكلها يخض، لا انا بمشي على الرولز اللي انا متعلمها. الميس قالت لي لما تشوف كذا تعمل كذا، لما تشوف كذا تعمل كذا، هنلاقيها بتتحل معانا على طول.